Hey guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to change your email address on Steam. So let's get started. Open up your Steam, go up here to Steam and scroll down here to settings. Now you should be right here and under this account option you should have this change email address. Now click on this and as you can see we have a new window. So how would you like to change your email address? You could either send a code to your Steam mobile app, or if you do not have access to your Steam mobile app, you could select this option. Now, I'm not sure what this will do because I have never done it, but I think it should do something with your email address. But it's a great option if you ask me. But yeah, right now I don't really want to do this because if I send the code to my app, this will prompt me to, well, reset my email address to a new one, and I don't really want to do that right now. But I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more content just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.